Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make a Python bot that like pretty much opens Chrome, well, a version of Chrome at least, and then it automatically checks like if it's in stock. So, let's get started. Yeah. So, Selenium, this is what we're using. Open a command prompt, and in the search bar you're gonna write cmd. For assistant, I just opened it in admin just in case. You're gonna write pip. Also, I'm using Python 3.9, so you should too. Install SELEM NIUM. Let's forget that didn't work. A bunch of lines should come on your screen, like a bunch of random stuff. It's going to say finished at the end, and then you can type again. That's when you know it. Selenium is set up. This is pretty much just importing the WebDriver of it, and then Chrome's WebDriver. I'm going to put the link to that in the description. Yeah, so this is the place to download it from. I'm gonna put it in the link below in the description. You're also gonna have to go to settings about Chrome. If you don't know how to do that, you go to the three dots, you go to help, and you go to about Google Chrome. I'm using version 88, and I can go to then I'm gonna go to download. We're gonna download 88. If you're using Windows, Win32. Yeah. I've already done that. You put it into whatever directory you want, actually. Just make sure you know where it is, not the zip file, only like that one driver, whatever, the exe file inside it. So, we're gonna need to go to path. We're just gonna write path. We're gonna click on environment variables. We're gonna go to new. I've already done it. I always just do this just in case. I put mine in Windows. You don't need to. Variable name, put this to whatever you want. You're gonna go to browse file. You're going to go to wherever it is. You're gonna select it. Open. I've already done it, so that, and just press OK for all of those. Now you've got Chrome's WebDriver. This is just finding it. Now, you can change this URL to whatever you want. I just chose this as the Xbox Series X, because I want to get it. So, driver.title, to print what's going on. This is the title. Microsoft Xbox Series X. EL. This is a variable. You can change that name to whatever you want. Element. It's supposed to stand for element, so I'll cut it short. Okay, driver. Pretty much saying Chrome driver.exe. Find the element by tag name body. Pretty much what this is, HTML is like a letter, but it's more tech instead of, greeting, signature, all of that. So the body is kind of like the meat of it too. String 1 element.text. Whatever text is in body, whatever text is in body. Now here we got an if statement. This is the same as going into Chrome itself, pressing Control F and writing currently unavailable. If that appears, then pretty much say, it's not in stock. If it's not, or, it's something else, like you put in, like, I don't know, Minecraft.net or something, it would always just print in stock. So just make sure you're doing a marketplace thing. Driver.close, you don't need it, but it's engraved in my head. Yeah. This is pretty much all we need to run it. We can run it. It's going to open up an Amazon thing. Currently unavailable. As you can, okay. Here's the driver.title. Not in stock, as you can tell. Not in stock, because it says, where is it? Currently unavailable. Currently unavailable, okay? That's all you need to know. This is also just saying the title again. This is just kind of a warning. I mean, it's not a bad one. It's just kind of telling you it's listening. You know. That's kind of the video, I guess. Like, this is actually pretty useful. If you can get it to run, like, automatically, like, once every, like, I don't know, like, 30 minutes. If you write another program to, like, automatically run this, and it'll just, like, tell you if it's not in stock. You know, that'd be pretty useful. But that's the video, guys. I'll see you guys later.